Alright guys, welcome back. We are going to do some problem solving. Are you ready? Okay. There are 3 dogs at the park. Okay, 3 dogs at the park. Then 1 dog joins. How many dogs are at the park? How could we solve this? That's right. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dogs at the park, or we know that there are 3, and 1 more is 4. Okay, let's do another one. There are 5 chickens sitting on eggs. There are 5 chickens sitting on eggs. 3 of the chickens get up and walk away. How could we show this? 3 of the chickens get up and walk away. We started with 5, and then 3 walk away. We could slide the 3 who walked away. That leaves us with 2. Very good. We could, if we had a piece of paper, we could cross it off to show that those 3 walked away. We had 5, then 3 went away, and that leaves us 2. 2 and 3 is 5. Okay. There are 4 jelly beans in the jar. 4. Okay. Someone eats 1 jelly bean. How could you show the number that's left? That's right. You could slide the jelly beans over to the side to show that 1 was eaten. You could cross it off. If you had 4 and then 1 was eaten, there are 3 left. Alright, you ready for another one? There are 3 ducks sitting on the pond, and then 2 more ducks join. How many ducks are at the pond? How could we show that? Well, we can move over the 2 ducks and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could say that there's 3 already, and 2 more is 5. 3 and 2 is 5. Okay? There is 2 snakes in the tree. One of the snakes disappears. How many are left? That's right, just 1. So when you're taking away a number, your number gets smaller. Just like we had 2 snakes and 1 went away, now we only have 1. Or if we had 5 jelly beans and 2 of them get eaten, now our number's 3. When you take something away, your number gets smaller. But when you add 2, your number gets bigger.